I want to say thank you to everybody who decided to watch this video. And I want to send a special shout out to my patrons and Twitch subscribers. You guys help me make this channel better. And I want to say, enjoy the show. What's up, guys? This is Crimson60620, and I am here to do something that I've should have done a long time ago. I'm here to walk people through OBS and how to add things and what alerts are and certain things that you can actually make to make your OBS experience that much better for you. Now, a lot of people may ask me, hey, Crimson, why don't you just use Streamlabs? And I did for a while, but I found that I like the creativity that I can actually do with the plugins and the different items that I have using just vanilla OBS. Let's actually go through and take some time to see what tools that I actually use and how that can actually help you. So the first thing I'm going to actually show is this. And this is my list of different OBS tools. Now, this isn't a complete list of things I bought over the years of streaming, but these are some things that I find that are beneficial. Now, here you can actually see a few things that I've actually used over the past. From the LED lighting to the light setup that I'm currently using, the green screen, a mic stand, which is a boom mic. That's going to be important later. I use a C-clip. That's also going to be important later. A USB multi-connector, a webcam, and this isn't the one I have, but this is one of the ones that I've looked at. It's high definition and things of that nature. A boom mic stand. So instead of having just a regular mic stand, you can have a boom mic stand. A backdrop to hold the green screen. One of the mics that I've used. Dual stands and a monitor. Yeah, I know it's a TV, but it's a monitor. So a lot of you guys may know, well, I have OBS. It allows me to put my camera up, and that's about it. Well, I'm about to break down some of the things that you can actually do in OBS that gives your stream just a little bit more of a personal taste. So we're going to actually start this off really, really simple, and then we can go from there. Now, as you can actually see, well, I guess you can't see, I have made it where we have a blank screen. And the first thing I'm going to actually do, well, the second thing I'm already to do, because I've already added the scene, I'm going to make sure we add a audio source. That's how you're able to hear me now. And I'm going to show you how to add sources in a moment. The second thing we're going to actually do is we're going to add a video capture device. Now, the video capture device I have right now I'm using is a webcam. It's 1080p high definition, and it looks something like this. Now, you can actually see me, move me around, and this can also be manipulated. So I'm going to actually do this so I can give you a little bit more behind the scenes. If you go to add plus sign on the very bottom, and I'm going to show you where once I bring it up, and add display capture. Once you add display capture, or one of the ones that I also use on my main setup is here. Where is it at? I guess it is display capture. Yeah. Oh no, here it is. Second screen. Now, this is me adding my second screen, and I'm going to move this down. And I'm going to actually, and because I have two screens, I'm going to actually change this to the display that I'm doing the OBS on. And you can actually see me high going into infinity. So this is the button that you use to add. And these are the different options that you have. Application, which we're going to get into a little bit later. Audio, which if you want to do something great for OBS, never use the audio off the default. You want to actually dedicate doing your mic and closing out all other audios. This is something that I learned a while ago. Audio output capture device that allows for you to capture sounds from if you're watching a video, if you're doing a call. Browser, color source, display capture, what we're using right now. Game capture, which you can use if you're gaming. Image slideshow, media source, scene, which you can capture another scene. Also, you can make sure that you can capture, you can do text, and that text can be automated, or you can actually do a plugin, which is a audio plugin that I have. Well, plays video as well. And video capture device is what you're seeing me on. Now, we're going to actually switch to something else, okay? We're going to actually add more things that you should actually see while you're streaming. Now, this is something that I use. When you add an alert after someone, you go to browser, and this is a plugin that I actually have with Streamlabs, and I added an alert, and the alert is right here. But you want to actually do one other thing. Let me just move myself a little bit. You want to actually go to alert. You want to go to properties, filters. These are all things that you can actually see because this is a browser file. And let me just open that up and just show you guys. This is just a browser for my Streamlabs. So I have Streamlabs. I took the browser, I took the width, I took the height, and we're going to actually do some test alerts. But before that, we're going to do transform. And I'm going to actually center the screen. And we're going to actually do some test alerts. So this is my screen that you would actually see for the alerts. And we're just going to do some test alerts. So we're going to do test follower. Animals are innocent. Don't be species. Now, what you guys heard was me doing a test follow through my mic. But if you want to hear it so your people can actually hear it on stream, you want to also do this. And we're going to bring it back to the original display that we were recording for. You want to add another audio input, audio output source capture. So I have it just named as a regular default. And one of the things that you want to actually do is you want to make sure that when you add this, the properties, I have this set to my headphones that I plug into my mic. My mic has a headphone jack. But you can also do the different monitors that you have. This is the one set to the monitor that I have coming out of my TV. So let's do that test follow again. Animals are innocent. Don't be species. So you can also, as you probably heard, it playing double because I originally made so where I changed my mic. Now to get rid of the double, I just have headphones, or I can always mute myself. This is muting myself.
Animals are innocent. Don't be species.
As you can see, there was a mute. And this is what I do with my headphones. Now, it will play in your stream. Gotta remember to change it, but it will play in your stream. And let's just do let's do a test description.
Okay, good. Now, let's repeat the non-conformist oath. I promise to be different. I promise to be unique. I promise not to repeat things other people say.
So as you can see, I know what my test subscriptions, I know what my subscriptions are, I know what my alerts are, because I've actually went in and set alerts, set descriptions, set different things to customize my stream. And if you want tips on how to do that, that means I'm gonna have to make another video and do better work. Anyway, leave that alone for right now. This is already becoming long. Now, one of the other things that I actually do is I want you guys to see something. This is, you can see me just floating in the void of space. That's because I have this. If you go to your camera, right click and select filters. I have what's called a chroma key on. You can take the chroma key off, green screen behind me. Part of the list that I actually showed. Put the filters on, put the chroma key back on, and here, I'm already there. Now, this is great. I want to say this is awesome. But we also have some other things to make your stream yours. You can have just a regular background, which, let me see if I can actually find a picture. You can select image. And putting that image, I don't feel like searching for an image, but you can also just search for an image. So I'm going to actually browse, and we're going to bring this over there because I don't want people seeing some of the things that I have on my background. But okay. So this is a background image that I have. It's just a JPEG. And for those of you guys who've watched my stream before, you'll know that I've used this before. But as you can see, it's still too big. So we're gonna highlight the screen. We're gonna actually say transform, and we're gonna fit to screen. Now you still can't see me because this is on top. So we're gonna actually just move this back down to right here. Now, as you can see, covers the screen. I am now ready to do a stream. Now, this custom background is something, again, that I made on my PS4. But as you can all see that you can put your camera somewhere, and that allows for you to be able to move yourself around and all that other good shit. These are just the basics. I haven't even covered some of the other shit that we have. So, for instance, let's just take this image out. Yes, we want to delete that. Let's just take this image out, and we're going to actually do this. I'm going to add a scene. And I'm going to add the one that I use for close-up. Now, this is a close-up screen that I have. And you can actually see, again, all around here are different browsers. So we have the... Oh, wow, that's... I was actually recording the stream. See? Yeah, no, I'm going to actually close that. All around here are different browsers. So we're going to take that out. And you can actually see different items that we have. This is really, really fucked up. So if we go to close-up, close-up has a lot of different items. So it has things like browser alerts. It has things like here. Let's just go there. Close-up has a lot of different things. Now, if I ever did a sponsor or if I do a sponsor on a stream, I have a browser window. Also, I have what is an opening? I have a media file plan.
And as long as I'm still breathing, I'll be right there by his side. It's time to use the power that
pause it, things of that nature. These are all different things that you can learn to make your stream better. I know this is getting a little bit long in the tooth, and this is my personal take. If you have any questions or if you want to create some things, let me know. I can create a background, simple really, or I can create an opening video, really, really simple. If you watch my channel any long length, I can actually do a simple minute opening, shit like that. You guys just let me know. And with that, I am done rambling. Again, if you guys need me to, I'll make a video talking about how I've done different things like creating a background or things of that nature, or created clips and things like editing. So yeah, this is my half-assed learned OBS. Thank you.
If I gave myself the power